Good morning. Next article is expression for frequency modulated voltage. Expression for frequency modulated voltage. You know definition of frequency modulation. We already talked about definitions of various types of modulations. Frequency modulation is the process of variation of Frequency modulation is the process of production of a waveform in which frequency of carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage. Let me repeat it. Frequency modulation is defined as the process of production of a waveform in which frequency of carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage. Carrier voltage is a high frequency voltage which works as carrier to carry the information from one place to other place. Modulating signal is low frequency signal. It may be audio frequency signal or video frequency signal which has the intelligence, the information in audio or video form. Let the modulating voltage be given by the equation EM is equal to capital EM cos omega mt, equation number of modulating voltage is given by small em is equal to capital EM cos omega mt, where this EM is instantaneous value. This small em is instantaneous value of modulating voltage. Capital EM is amplitude of modulating voltage. Omega m is angular frequency of modulating voltage. Equation 1, it represents modulating voltage EM is equal to AM times cos omega mt, where this small EM is instantaneous value of modulating voltage. Capital EM is amplitude of modulating voltage, and this omega m is angular frequency of modulating voltage. Then the carrier voltage is given by small Vc is equal to capital Vc sin omega ct plus theta. Equation number 2, where capital EC is amplitude of carrier voltage, omega c is angular frequency of carrier voltage, theta is phase of carrier voltage, which is a constant. Theta EC is equal to AC sin omega ct plus theta. Equation number 2 is the expression for the carrier voltage, where capital EC amplitude of the carrier voltage, omega c angular frequency of the carrier voltage, theta phase of the carrier voltage, which is a constant. The instantaneous phase of carrier voltage. The instantaneous phase of carrier voltage may be given by phi is equal to omega c into t plus theta. Equation number 3. Instantaneous phase, the phase at different times, the phase which is a function of time, which is instantaneous phase. Instantaneous phase phi of the carrier voltage is given by phi is equal to omega c into t plus theta. Equation number 3. With this value of instantaneous phase, carrier voltage written in equation 2 may now be written as EC is equal to capital EC sin phi. Equation number 4 in terms of instantaneous phase of the carrier voltage. Equation for carrier voltage will be EC is equal to capital EC sin phi. Equation number 4. To have relation between phi and omega c, let us differentiate equation 3 on both sides. If we differentiate equation 3 on both sides, we will get d phi is equal to omega c into dt plus 0. Theta is constant, so its differentiation into 0. This is for the d phi by dt is equal to omega c. Equation number 4. d phi by dt is equal to omega c. Equation number 4. This gives relation between the instantaneous phase phi and angular frequency of the carrier voltage. We know that in frequency modulation, only frequency of the carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value Em of the modulating voltage. the amplitude EC of the carrier voltage will be held constant. Similarly, the phase theta will also be held constant. And therefore, the frequency modulated voltage is given by omega is equal to omega C plus kf into Am. What is omega? Omega is frequency modulated voltage, which is omega C plus kf Em. This is equation number 5. Omega C is angular frequency of carrier voltage. Em instantaneous value of modulating voltage. Kf is proportionality constant. This may further be written as omega is equal to omega C plus kf into Em into cos omega mt. Equation number 6. Omega is equal to omega C plus kf Em cos omega mt. Equation number 6. This equation gives the frequency modulated voltage. To get phi, instantaneous value of phi, let us integrate equation 6 on both sides with respect to t. To get phi from this equation 4 can further be written as d phi is equal to omega into dt. I am going to write the same thing here. Phi is equal to integration over d phi is equal to integration of omega into dt is equal to integration of this omega c dt plus kf integration of Em cos omega mt. This is further phi is equal to omega c into t plus kf Em divided by omega m into sin omega mt plus theta. Equation number 7. This is integration of this term plus integration of these things will be this kf am by omega m sin omega mt plus theta. Theta is integration constant. Integration constant is a constant. It does not play any role in frequency modulation, and therefore this theta may be simply ignored to write this phi is equal to omega c into t plus kf em divided by omega m into sin omega mt. Equation number 8. Let us substitute value of this phi from equation 8 into equation 2. When this value of phi is substituted in equation 2, equation 2 will now become E is equal to EC sin phi. Sin phi is omega c into T plus kf into Em divided by omega m into sin omega mt, equation number 9. This is expression for frequency modulated voltage. E is equal to EC. No change in amplitude. Sine of phi, instantaneous value of phase. Omega ct plus k of am divided by omega m into sin omega mt, equation number 9. This is expression for frequency modulated voltage. Before going further for mathematical discussion of frequency modulated voltage, let me first draw waveforms for frequency modulated voltage. After that, we shall continue with this mathematical analysis. Let me draw the waveforms here. This is EC is equal to capital AC sine of omega ct. The carrier voltage, waveform of the carrier voltage. This will be time axis. Then this is modulating voltage. Em is equal to Em cos omega mt. Finally, this is this voltage. E is equal to EC sine of omega ct plus kf em divided by omega m sin omega mt. figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Waveform for frequency modulated voltage. Figure 1 gives the waveform of carrier voltage. This gives the instantaneous change in the carrier voltage. This is the time. What we find here, the frequency is fairly constant with constant amplitude. It is very large. As you see, the waveforms are very near to each other. It means that this frequency is a very large frequency. So carrier voltage is a high frequency voltage. Let us go to figure 2. Figure 2 is for modulating voltage. This gives instantaneous value on y-axis, time on x-axis. This is sine, this is cosine. Sine starts from the origin, cosine starts from the maximum value, and therefore this starts from the maximum value. This is a low frequency voltage. It may be audio information or video information. When these two are mixed in frequency modulator, when carrier voltage and modulating voltage are mixed in a frequency modulator, frequency modulated voltage is produced. This is a waveform of a frequency modulated voltage. What we find here, amplitude is constant. Amplitude is not changing. Amplitude of the carrier is held constant. But the frequency is not constant. Frequency for this positive part is large. For negative part, frequency is small. For positive part, frequency is again large. For negative part, frequency is again small. For positive part, frequency is again large. For every positive portion, the waves are very near to each other. For every negative portion, the waves are much away from each other. For positive portion, again the waves are very near to each other. For negative portion, the waves are well away from each other. For positive portion, again the waves are very near to each other. So here time period is very small, so frequency will be very large. Here time period is large, frequency will be small. It means that in the frequency modulated voltage, the frequency of the carrier voltage is changing with respect to the instantaneous value of the modulating voltage, and we will get this type of waveform for frequency modulated voltage. This is about the waveform of frequency modulated voltage. Figure 1, waveform for carrier voltage. Figure 2, waveform for modulating voltage, and figure 3, waveform for frequency modulated voltage. And here we find that in frequency modulated voltage, only frequency of the carrier voltage is varied in accordance with the instantaneous value of the modulating voltage. The phase and amplitude of carrier voltage are held constant. This is about the waveforms. After having studied waveforms of carrier voltage, modulating voltage and frequency modulated voltage, let us move back to the mathematical part. We shall go to the mathematical part in the next lecture. Hope you understood it. Thank you.